Hello, my name is Joe Kolodrobitz, and I'm a 2021 Junior Fellow at the Law Library of Congress. I live in Virginia, and I'm entering my final year of a Juris Doctor degree at the George Washington University. This summer, I'm working with Ms. Jennifer Gonzalez and Mr. Jay Sweeney of the Digital Resources Division on digitizing the Foreign Legal Gazette's collection. A legal gazette is an official source of law published by a foreign government for the dissemination of that government's decisions. This summer, I learned a great deal about accessing information in legal studies, and I gained a ground-level perspective on the digital operations of the library. Metadata is a set of information that describes other information. In the context of this project, the creation of metadata, I'm developing keywords for the legal gazettes. The process for making what we call subject metadata is simple. First, scan a text for completeness. Then, take notes on the content of the text. And finally, distill one's notes into standardized keywords. After the metadata is uploaded, a researcher can use it to get a quick latitudinal sense of the text in the collection and make a much deeper longitudinal dive. The nuance of metadata becomes clear, as an example, in the context of historical memory laws. While our digital gazettes date from as early as the 1950s, the gazette's collection also includes the Spanish Historical Memory Law of 2007, which memorialized the Spanish Civil War of the 1930s. This summer, in creating metadata for the 2007 Gazette, which we are awaiting approval to post, I created metadata using a generic trunk term, arts and culture, and a novel branch, historical memory. Soon, the website will connect this Gazette to the same terms in gazettes from Colombia, Paraguay, and Peru. Each metadata handle links to others, like the branches in a subject metadata tree, or, more precisely, nodes on a neural network of legal and historic data. In this way, we are mapping the data gradually by entering one subject metadata keyword at a time. Of course, the law is a domain as wide as the world itself, and there are many hundreds of potential keywords in each document of the law library. This summer, I was able to process many thousands of documents, utilizing hundreds of subject keywords, but many more remain. The digitization list contains some tens of thousands of text, written in dozens of languages, spanning many decades, and touching topics as varied as public finance and environmental law. I encourage you to look at the collection as a post, whether you use foreign languages or English metadata my colleagues and I have created. I've been honored to work with these texts that are helping us to maintain accurate historical and legal records in the legal systems of the world. Who knows how our efforts will influence the choices decision makers reach in years to come.